Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best etching tool is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding tools you can add to your crafting arsenal, allowing you to create intricate designs on a wide range of materials like glass, metal, and wood. From delicate jewelry to personalized home decor, the possibilities are endless, and in this video, we will explore the top etching tools available in the market, helping you choose the perfect one to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Dremel 290-02 Engraver. Introducing the Dremel Engraver, your new tool for crafting and personalization. It's perfect for adding unique touches to all your projects. It lets you engrave designs onto a wide variety of materials, from leather and wood to metal and glass. The possibilities are endless. With its 5-position adjustable dial, you can control the engraving depth for fine lines or deep grooves. It's easy to achieve the perfect result. Its lightweight pen design and soft grip ensure comfortable use, even during longer projects. You'll love how easy it is to handle. The kit includes a carbide point and a stencil template to get you started. You'll be creating personalized masterpieces in no time. For even more versatility, consider the optional diamond point for engraving hard surfaces, sold separately. Backed by a 2-year warranty and US-based customer service, you can trust this tool for years to come. We're here to help. What we like? It's a true all-rounder, capable of handling various materials. The adjustable depth control lets you achieve both fine lines and deep grooves. If you need a reliable and long-lasting tool for diverse engraving projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as intended. I use it for engraving hand tools. I purchased separately the diamond point Dremel engraving bit. Cuts better than the one included with this engraver. This takes a bit of getting used to when using and suggest anyone start with some junk pieces of metal and glass. But once you get the hang of it, this works great. I have recently started using this tool to do engraving on glass. If you consider doing this, I recommend 2 things. One is a dust mask, preferably one where you can pinch the nose to make it fit well. You do not want to be inhaling glass debris. This was my first Dremel tool, and I was worried that it would be difficult to use. This thing is surprisingly easy to use and put together. I bought some metal blanks and recorded a message, printing out the image of the wavelength. I then taped the printout onto the blank and traced over the image with the Dremel tool. It transferred and etched the image into the blank quite nicely and made cute little gifts for family and friends. I love that this tool can be held like a pencil, which makes it very easy to control. It comes with a stencil for small lettering, which is helpful, too. Number 4. General Tools Cordless Engraving Pen. Introducing the Cordless Engraving Pen, perfect for intricate designs. Its diamond tip ensures permanent, precise markings on various surfaces. This pen-like tool fits comfortably in your hand. The ergonomic grip and fingertip control make it easy to use for extended periods. It's more than just a metal engraver. It handles glass, ceramic, plastic, and even wood with ease. The high-speed motor ensures smooth operation. Personalize your belongings with unique markings. From jewelry to house keys, it adds a personal touch to anything you own. Add permanent identification to your valuables for security and peace of mind. It's a simple way to protect your belongings. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool offers the precision and control you need for any project. What we like? This cordless engraver offers ultimate convenience and precision. Its pen-like design allows for detailed work in any location. If you value portability and ease of use for smaller engraving tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great quality, engraved all our catering utensils right out of the box. I've been using this to engrave metal tags that I use to label Christmas lights, and it works great. Works well for what it is. Used it to add my initials to my reusable water bottles and tools. Number 3. 108 Pcs Engraving Tool Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Engraving Kit. It allows you to personalize and decorate almost any surface with ease and precision. From metal and wood to glass and stone, it can handle a wide variety of materials. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your projects. With a simple rotary dial, you can adjust the speed from 3,000 to 20,000 RPM. This gives you complete control over the engraving process. This comprehensive kit comes with 82 accessories for engraving, carving, sanding, polishing, and more. You'll have everything you need to complete your projects. With 24 stencils including letters, numbers, graphics, flowers, and animals, you can create unique and personalized designs. Let your imagination run wild. Its pen-like design and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable and steady control, perfect for intricate details and deep grooves. You'll enjoy the precision and ease of use. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started. The variable speed control offers adaptability for different materials. If you're a beginner or need a wide range of accessories and stencils, this kit is ideal. What people say. Works great for small projects like drilling holes in polymer clay. The pen is comfortable to hold grip. Have done headphones, wooden lids, and my WIP is a glass jar at the moment. This little tool packs a punch. I have already used to prep my nails for a mani-pedi, etched 3 glasses, and sawed off extra wood from my craft set. The collets, drill bits, cutting discs, and the various tips are steady, made well, and durable. The tool itself is super cool in that it does not run hot or smell. Number 2. USB Rechargeable Engraving Pen. It's rechargeable via USB, providing up to 30 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. This makes it perfect for crafting on the go. It features a high-quality motor with 3 adjustable speeds, 5,000 to 25,000 RPM. You can safely polish nails at low speed or carve metal at high speed. This kit comes with 35 versatile bits, including rotary bits, drill bits, saw blades, and a tungsten steel bit. It's all you need for engraving, carving, sanding, and more. Its portable and compact design lets you enjoy jewelry making anytime, anywhere. It works on metal, glass, ceramic, leather, wood, and more. It's easy to use, perfect for creating keychains, necklaces, or personalized gifts. We also offer a 1-year after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like. Enjoy the freedom of cordless engraving with this rechargeable pen. Its adjustable speed caters to various engraving needs and materials. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile option with a wide selection of bits, this is a great option. What people say. It can be used on multiple types of surfaces and comes with different changing heads. It's not loud either, and best of all, it's portable. It's lightweight and easy to hold, which makes it super simple to use. The motor is strong enough to engrave smoothly on metal, wood, and plastic without much effort. I was surprised by how precise it is. It gives really clean lines. The battery life is great, so I don't have to charge it constantly. It comes with a bunch of different bits for engraving. It seems like a nice little tool. I practiced using it on some aluminum. It seems to work well, I just need to learn to use it better. I think it will be a fun tool for some small engraving projects. I like that it is USB rechargeable, pretty convenient. Number 1. 121D Engraver. This lightweight engraver is perfect for a variety of materials. Its compact design and variable speed make it easy to handle and control. It engraves plastic, metal, glass, ceramic, leather, and wood with ease. You'll be amazed at what you can create. The depth adjustment dial gives you precise control over the engraving depth. Achieve the perfect results every time. With a 13-watt motor and up to 7,200 strokes per minute, it delivers powerful and reliable engraving. It's efficient and effective. The lightweight design and soft touch grip ensure comfortable and easy handling. You can work for longer periods without fatigue. It comes with a 2-piece stencil set and a tungsten carbide tip, so you have everything you need to get started. Start your next project today. What we like. This engraver offers precise depth control for superior results. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use. If you need a powerful yet easy-to-use tool for detailed engraving, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The engraving process is smooth and precise, making it great for personalizing tools, gifts, or anything else you want to mark. It feels sturdy and well-built. Does the job for marking all my tools. It's kinda cheap, so you can't go too hard with it, and the plastic is meh, but worth it for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.